Today we are very excited to show you walkthrough of another would-be luxury flip which comes inbuilt with so many precious things. You can see this tech-savvy computer system. You won't find it right anywhere. And this modern bicycle. Let's start this luxury tour. So our plan is to make this open concept modern look where kitchen will be on the one side. You have an open concept living and family space, so that we'll get rid of this wall. So why not we start it today itself. So let's see the kitchen, and it comes with so much inbuilt food. So we'll rip off this whole kitchen and come up with a new kitchen. Why? Because you know, kitchen is the heart of the property. So best part of the property is adding a secondary legal suite which comes with 3 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. Now the plus of this property is it already comes with a separate side entrance. Now let's go downstairs and I'll show you the potential. Let me know if you need anything from this unique property. So this whole place will be ripped off. 1 bedroom and 1 full washroom here, and the other side will have a 2 big size bedrooms with the big decent windows with the open living and family space. We'll upgrade the water line so we can support all the new washrooms. Plus the panel will be 200 amp and this window will be big large window. So you'll have fresh and new light coming into the home. This is the place where we'll add a separate laundry and a new washroom next to the HVAC system. Best part of this property is it comes with so many opportunities. Yes, it is. Oh my god, I like this. We already secured 1 trophy for doing this such a nice job because we are adding value into this property. Keep following our journey. Once we are done, we'll have a nice walkthrough for you guys with 3 bedroom legal suite and 3 bedroom upstairs with 2 full washrooms. We are all excited for this opportunity.